Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramesh Life in another new vlog, another new fresh video. So guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, and guys, I'm also fine. And guys, today I have come here, my hometown. This is my village. You can see this is our paddy field. In the backside there is our home, and in the backside there is also a high school. And guys, this is our village. Everywhere is, you can see a lot of trees, vacant place you will be able to see. But in Calcutta there is, everywhere is, you know too much, so many population. In Calcutta there is a lot of buses, so many people, so many population in Calcutta. So just see guys our village. You can see guys, everywhere you will be able to see, no people, because uh, here the village distance, if I talk about two village distance between two village, that is I think 2 or 3 kilometer. After that you will be able to see different village. So my village name is Gudia Ghati, and this is our village. So today I'm gonna show you guys everything what is actually here in our village. So guys, keep watching whole the video. Stay tuned at me guys. If you want to learn English language, then stay tuned at me. Basically I speak only English language, so you also able to learn English language. So keep support me also guys. So keep watching whole the video guys. দাদা কোথায় গেছে? কাজে হাটে গেছে, কাজে যায়নি। দাদারই কথা বলি, মাসার কথা বলিনি। কোথায় আছে?